Your YouTube upload just failed mid-campaign, and you had no idea you were even close to the limit. Sound familiar? On Connected Accounts. Every account carries its own live status pill right in row 1-4. Active, expired, disconnected, pending. So a dead connection never hides behind a green checkmark that's actually lying to you. Connect a channel for video uploads, and a dedicated chip appears. Remaining maxi daily uploads remaining. Vyroq tracks the shared Google quota for you, so you see exactly how much runway is left before you hit the cap of 6 a day. Every row also shows which connector is doing the work. Messaging connector or social publishing connector. A small chip most people never notice, but it tells you instantly which sidecar to check if something misbehaves. And a stored row is never a mystery. Hit refresh on any account or refresh list up top, and Vyroq rechecks every connection right now. No 30-second wait for the next automatic poll. Status and quota always in view. Nothing breaks a campaign without you seeing it coming first. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.